Welcome to Essay Flow Daily, your daily source for academic writing inspiration. Let's dive into today's topic.
Some people believe that online learning is more effective and convenient than traditional classroom learning. Others, however, argue that face-to-face interaction in a physical classroom is essential for a high-quality education. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
The landscape of global education has been fundamentally reshaped in the last decade. With the rapid advancement of digital infrastructure, the debate between online learning and traditional face-to-face education has reached a fever pitch. While some advocates argue that the virtual world offers a more efficient and democratic way to learn, traditionalists maintain that the physical classroom is an irreplaceable sanctuary for human development. In my view, both models offer distinct advantages, and the future of education likely lies in a sophisticated blend of both. On one hand, the primary strength of online education is its unparalleled accessibility. In the digital realm, geographical boundaries are rendered irrelevant. A student in a developing nation can now access cutting-edge courses from Ivy League universities with nothing more than an internet connection. This democratization of knowledge allows for a self-paced learning environment, which is particularly beneficial for those balancing full-time employment or family responsibilities. Furthermore, online platforms often utilize asynchronous learning, allowing students to review complex lectures multiple times, a luxury not always available in a fast-moving physical classroom. From an economic perspective, it also reduces the overhead costs of commuting and physical infrastructure, making high-quality education more affordable for the masses. On the other hand, the traditional bricks-and-mortar classroom offers a holistic educational experience that screens cannot fully replicate. Education is a deeply social process, and the physical presence of peers and mentors fosters a unique environment for collaborative learning. In a real classroom, the interpersonal nuances, such as a teacher's nonverbal cues or the spontaneous energy of a group debate, provide immediate feedback that is vital for deep understanding. Moreover, schools provide a structured environment that cultivates discipline and social skills. For younger learners, the classroom is where they learn to navigate social hierarchies, resolve conflicts, and build empathy through face-to-face interaction. Without this human element, education risks becoming a purely transactional exchange of information, rather than a transformative journey. In my opinion, the most effective approach is not to choose one over the other, but to adopt a hybrid or blended model. By integrating the technological efficiency of online resources with the social foundation of traditional schooling, we can create a more resilient and inclusive system. For instance, theoretical knowledge can be delivered online, while physical classrooms are reserved for hands-on workshops, critical discussions, and mentorship. Ultimately, the goal of education is to empower individuals, whether through a high-definition screen or behind a wood. Now, let's review the essential vocabulary from this essay, categorized by CEFR levels.